So we just got this Amazear Magnetic Mount for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I can open it. Oh geez. Hey, what is this? Something else in here. Oh, these are like magnetic pads. Ah. Wait. Okay. So this is the magnet on the back. How do you put this in the pocket? Okay, we're able to get it on. This is the magnetic mount. Let me see if it will stick. It's not magnetic. Okay, magnet's pretty good. I was able to attach it to a light. Sticking it on some other things that are magnetic. This. Whoa. It worked. This. Whoa. Is that magnetic? Oh, that. Let's see. Ah, there it is. No, it's not. Ah. Okay, one of the hooks is nice.